Hello students, look at this question coming from Quadrilaterals, grade 9. ABCD is a parallelogram. Only this much is given to us. So I'll just draw, I'll draw a parallelogram. Okay, the name is ABCD. So I'll take this as ABCD as a parallelogram. Fine. Now, if E is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of BC. So let's introduce point E as the midpoint of BC. And AE is the bisector of angle A. Okay, so AA, which means I have to join A to E. So I'll join AE, which is acting as the bisector of angle A. So it's clearly easy to understand these two small angles are equal because it's a bisector. Now, prove that AB should be half of AD. Okay, AB should be half of AD. Okay, so I'll take the figure this side. I'll write here what we have to prove. Prove that AB is equal to half of AD. This is what I want to prove. Okay, think children, AB चाहिए तो AB इधर है, AD इस तरफ है. Okay, fine. So now let us start with this. So it's okay. So I'll start with the proof. I'll start from here. So proof. How do I go about? Please understand children, okay? So how I think, and I want you to think in the similar way. So I have connection with these two angles are given equal to me. I have to use that, correct? So, okay, so I think AD and BC, they both are running parallel to each other because it's a parallelogram. So confirm this angle has to be equal to this angle. Alternate interior angles. Sure. So let's name those angles, children. So I can say that angle DAE is clearly equal to angle BEA. Is clearly equal to angle BEA. Sure. DAE is equal to angle BEA, and I can write the reason over here, alternate angles. Reason alternate angles. Sure. Okay, what comes next? Okay, one more thing. E is definitely the midpoint of BC given to us. Sure. So I can say that, oh, if I'm not wrong, this is X. So this also has to be X. And now if this is equal to this, so this also becomes X. So ultimately, even these two angles are equal to each other. Correct? So let us keep this on the second step. So what I'll do is, first let me say that these two angles are equal. The reason is what? AE is the bisector. Clear children? So let us name them. So first is angle DAE. Angle DAE is equal to which angle? BAE. Correct? The reason is given. Reason is given. So these two angles are equal, but this angle equals this angle. I have written here alternate angles. So what I'll do, I'll take this equation 1 and I'll take this equation number 2. And now children, come on, it's so easy, beta. If you compare 1 and 2, see if you check 1 and 2, if I'm not wrong, DAE, here also DAE. So left hand sides are equal. So automatically I can say these two angles are equal. Sure children, so what I'll do is, I'll write therefore angle BAE is equal to which angle? BEA. The reason would be from 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2. Okay. Now children, please understand one more thing. If these two angles are equal, we proved just now. So in this triangle AEB, this angle and this angle are equal. Oh, So I can go for converse of isosceles triangle theorem. I can say that AB is 100% equal to BE. Reason, converse of isosceles triangle theorem. So I can say that therefore AB is 100% equal to BE. I'll put this equation 3, and the reason is very important. Converse of isosceles triangle theorem. This much is all okay? I think so, yes. Now, if I'm not wrong, E is the midpoint of BC. So I can say that BE is half of BC because E is the midpoint, okay? So I can say that but BE is 100% half of BC. Correct? It's half of BC because E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint. Sure. And now I'll take this equation 4. Fine. Now children, please understand this step. 3 और 4 में ध्यान देना बेटा. AB BE को equal है, but BE half of BC है. So I can just do one thing ना. यहाँ पे ध्यान देना सब लोग, यहाँ पे ध्यान देना. क्या कर सकते हैं? BE किसको इक्वल है? AB को इक्वल है. तो ये जो BE है किससे रिप्लेस हो जाएगा? AB से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा. करेक्ट है. सो नाउ आई कैन से दैट देयरफॉर BE का रिप्लेसमेंट कौन मिल गया? AB. BE is half of AB is half of BC. Comparing which two equations हमने compare किया from 3 and 4. So हमने compare कर लिया from 3 and 4. Okay. Now children, सबको पता है ABCD it's a parallelogram. So in which opposite sides are equal. Correct. So opposite sides equal है, इसका मतलब BC जो है वो AD को equal है. And now come on, BC I can replace by what? AD. And then I'll say but BC is equal to AD. यहाँ पे reason आएगा opposite sides of a parallelogram. Okay, and now children, ये जो BC है AD को equal है, so now I can just replace. So AB क्या बन जाएगा? Half of AD. So AB is half of AD. Just check what we wanted to prove. AB is half AD, and it's all done. Nicely explained as well with the help of a nice figure. Share this video to grade 9 students. Geometry it is. This is for 3 marks. 5 mark का भी कर सकते हैं if the figure is not given. तो तुमको figure draw करके अच्छे से proof लिख के देना है. Fine. So study this, and I'll keep uploading more videos on all geometry. That's more important for you people. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.